Oh, thank you. Great. We have a coffee. So I slept here. That was my house for one night. Here is the bike parked just in front, and the view is just amazing. Look at that. There is a place to sit. Mario's in the other hut. There is his bike, and there is coffee. Yeah, I entered with the flip-flops. Now is grass for everywhere. I was using the drone. Everything was nice. Everything was perfect. I slept enough. I mean, maybe I would 1 hour more. Yeah, but 7 hours is not bad. So the plan of today is, I don't know, because Mario's gonna send me the route, so probably gonna be here around, and then in the afternoon I don't know if we're gonna sleep in the same place or he's gonna go back to Bangkok and I'm gonna continue south. Yeah, I'm excited to that part of Thailand. I think it will be a bit different. The thing is, now I'm gonna put here in the map, you see that tiny part of Thailand going down close to Myanmar? There is no many roads other than highway. So I will try not to take the highway, but if it's needed, what I can do. And there yesterday they made fire for us. Here, it was nice. We're gonna have coffee now. I don't think we're gonna have breakfast here. I don't think they have it. But we're gonna have coffee and live.
So we open this.
So what is that? It's a portable?
It's a portable USB charged
kettle.
So you can warm your water, make a coffee in the morning.
So you need that cable.
This is for electricity. If you have a power someplace nearby, then you can use this. Otherwise, for like if you are in a camp or something, you can just use this like a normal USB. That's all.
Let's see how long it's gonna warm. The thing is, I like it, but it's a bit big.
Yes, maybe you cut it into half.
But guys, I'm gonna tell you if it's gonna work for me.
It will take 10 minutes to get it warmed.
10 minutes?
Yes, because it's USB.
We are about to leave. It's already quite hot. Oh baby, why so heavy? I know it's because of my fault, because I put things on you and then I complain that you are heavy, right? The plan for today, so I still don't know why, because here I don't have any kind of internet, so I didn't check where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna just go down there because here there is no signal. So we go down there in the main road, and then there I check where we go. First we're gonna stop in some coffee because Mario's have a meeting and I have to eat something, so we do that, and then probably I think he's gonna come back to Bangkok, and then we're gonna continue down south, and that's it. Again alone. And that's okay. Yesterday I was checking my files and results that I lost a lot of files, so I have an inconvenience now because I have to, I don't know, make it in some way that you guys understand what I was talking about in that moment. I don't know how did I lost that files. I think probably was when I was copying from the SD card to the hard drive. I think there I just stop it because it was take so long, was a bit weird, and then I start again, and I think that was the problem. So anyway, there is nothing I can do because I already delete. Wow, we are going towards the beach. There is the sea in the end of that road. The coffee I saw, it's just in front of the beach. I think it's gonna be cool. Look at that! Oh my god, amazing! Oh wow! We're getting close to the sea. Be aware with life crossing. It's a kind of park here. Khao Sam Roy Oti National Park. There is caves to see here, so that's why I think there is a coffee, because some tourists comes here. Oh, we arrived to the coffee. Ah, we can park there.
You're amazing.
Crew, right?
You're amazing.
So guys, it's time to say bye to Marius. Marius,
Bye.
thank you.
It was good to see you.
Was very nice too. Thank you so much for the route, everything. We'll keep in touch, okay? Thank you. So here was the coffee, and now it's time to go to the hotel because I have to finish the video. Marius is gonna stay there a bit more. I already reserved the hotel. It's not far from here. This one is a bit more expensive, but yeah, it's a nice place. I wanna relax, and also that area seems to be very cool. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna go around here because I saw there is some caves to see. So I think I will go and check it out in the morning. Not now because now it's hot. Here I am again, alone. Always when you travel, it's nice to meet people. A lot of people judge me that I was traveling with someone. I don't see any problem, and I don't understand why is there a problem. When you are on the way, you are meeting people always. So sometimes you match at some point that you can travel together. You cannot travel with everyone. So if I bring someone here to the channel, if I'm traveling with someone, you guys have to understand that that's it. So the first time when it was marked in my videos, I get a lot of messages. I was like, you are not traveling alone anymore, you have someone, blah blah blah, why you cannot, like, so many stupid things. Look, I'm free to do whatever I want, to travel with whoever I want, and I'm not gonna please everyone. I'm gonna please myself, because in the end I'm here alone. Nobody is here, just me. Such a cool area with those mountains. I didn't saw that before. I just checked it out that morning when I saw that there was a coffee around here, and then I saw that it's kind of mountains and caves around here, and I say, why not? Let's go there, have the coffee, and then I try to find a nice place around, and the next day I can go around and see. Wow. Ooh. Okay, now I get why they are saying like it's quite terrific the way to get there. Yeah, in the night would be, but in the day it's okay. It's just off-road path. Looks very cool though. So here will be my hotel. The thing is, I didn't eat nothing yet. I didn't have breakfast, eat lunch. It's already 2. And here I thought that here the restaurant would be open. You know what? No, it's not open. They don't have food here. Just tomorrow in the morning. So that means that I have to go out and buy. And that is not a problem if I would not take so long. But she said to me that I can go through the beach. So then, okay, so I can go with my bike there, through there, and it seems that there will be a road on the left side, and close to there is a supermarket. So that's it for today. I'm gonna continue tomorrow. I'm gonna finish the video now. As here there's no food, just in the breakfast, I have to go out to buy at least something to have here, because I don't want to have to go out always. Do you wanna hear how it sounds, my intercom? Look, I'm gonna put the music and you're gonna hear it, and that's the sound. Let's see. Oh, in the beginning already. Mierda, too slow. Oi! I just went in the 7-Eleven. I upload the video, but it's not gonna be right today. Why? Because I don't have the title yet. I don't have the title yet, and also the thumbnail. So I'm gonna try to finish, and if I can, I upload today. If I cannot, it will be tomorrow. But at least it's done. Sometimes when you travel, it's difficult to have a schedule when the internet doesn't work. Look how cool is that Buddha. Wow. Oh, ratatan, 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 bam, bam. So I'm gonna back to the hotel now, and tomorrow I'm gonna go in the morning to some caves. There is, I think, 3 or 4 big ones, but I will choose 2 of them. So here we are. Ay, mierda. No, 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 no. No. Mierda puta. No. Why, Fernanda? Venga. Mierda. Oh, eso. I cannot bring up the bike. Ay, Dios mío. Have to be away. Senhor. Venga, Fernanda. Jesus. I couldn't pick the bike. Oh my god. It cannot be like that. No. If I cannot pick the bike, I cannot beat with that bike. Look how big is that crab. So here's the place. Oh my god. No. Oh. Mierda. Again. No. Maybe someone is coming here to help me. I cannot put that. One of the things I learned while traveling is that you should never reach that point of exhaustion, when you've lost all your strength and can go on. I reached that point. I couldn't even record. I had a bit of panic attack. Being in the dark like that made me remember things I didn't want to. But nothing a good night's sleep can't fix. Tomorrow it will be another day.